So okay, I'm going to analyze the second time around. The security bank is it's because the first one that I uploaded, someone requested me if I could re-upload my video. It's because there's the quality of the sound is very poor. They could not hear properly with their cell phone. So so this would be I'm going to analyze again based on my analysis before, but that's okay. I always listen to your concerns. Okay, so we're going to analyze again. So before that, we were going to use always our top-down analysis. We're going to check with the highest swing of the market and then the all-time high and the all-time low of the market. So we're going our top-down analysis. We're going to use the monthly, weekly, and then when we're going to entry, we use the daily time frame. But for if you want to see the whole picture of the market, we're going to check with the monthly. But I think weekly is now enough. We can if we can see the whole picture of the market just like this one. Okay, so the all-time high of the SECB security bank is 265 and the all-time low is 13. So this is very important. So we are now here. So we are about below the middle of the price. Somewhere here is the middle. Okay, so if you're going to analyze this one, after this one is the break of the structure, meaning when there is a new high of the structure, this one in May 2007, then there's a breakout. Okay, so a break of structure. That's the correct term. So that one we're going to analyze this one. We are very particular because someone is buying in this level, starting from here, especially the institutional investors. When I say institutional investors, we refer those investors coming from the bank, the big corporations, the insurance company, or the trading company, or the fund managers. They are having a good, big capital, so they could always influence the movement of the market. So just like this one, they're buying a lot here, so that's why the market went up. So, okay, so we are now here. So definitely, this one there's a lot of opportunities here. The institutional investors are eyeing for this one for sure, or probably somewhere here. But since there is no, we can see that this one there's a bounce of the market. So probably I hope that this one is the bounce. It's because of the buying pressure of this one. The market wasn't able to go down continuously, to go down here, somewhere here. Okay, so that's why you are buying here. We are recommending to buy somewhere here. Although the last time it was 72, but 70 is still good. Then somewhere here, 62 to 7. This one 70. 72 is good. Okay, so we don't have to get panic if we were able to buy to 72, or much better if a lower price. This one is 62. Even if the price is going to go down somewhere here, we're not going to get scared or panic, because we all know that this one, the insider of the security bank, definitely they were going to buy back. That's also, by the way, when the stock is going down, and every company they have their own insiders, that what we call insiders, and or the one that is specializing in their stocks. They're going to, if the stock is very cheap already, undervalued, they're going to buy back that one, especially if the company is doing good. That's why we need to also to check if on the fundamentals of the stocks, if that certain company is doing good. Anyway, we will just check later on. Okay, so this one, so we are here now, so we're going to buy this one. It's because of this is a demand area somewhere here, or here, demand area. Okay, so we're going to go down to our daily time frame to see what's going on with this one. Okay, there's a bounce back here, and this is the after the pandemic. It went down a little bit, because this is the pandemic price. I mean the lowest price during the pandemic, but it went down further here. But we don't have to worry about that one. What we are seeing right here is the bounce back here. Instead, that it will going to continue to here a lower low to make a lower low, but it didn't. Here, this is already, we can consider this one as a break of structure because this one is forming here a lower low. This is a higher low, so this is a break of structure. So this is an indication that it will going to have the change of its directional bias from downtrend to an uptrend. It's going here, look at, starting to go up. Then what happened, went back to this one. So this is a double bottom, and that's okay. This is also instead that it will going to continue to go down, but is holding this position, meaning there's a lot of buyers in this one. There's a lot of liquidity. By the way, when you say liquidity, there are more buyers and sellers in this area, and liquidity is the reason why the market will going to go up because of the buying from the institutional investors. We are an individual trader or retail trader. And this one is, look at this one. After this one, supposedly I put here a trend line. This is also a hint for us that there is here there's a breakout. Look at this one. Break the trend line. It was able to break the trend line. Supposedly it will going to continue like this, downtrend, but it went up. Break this trend line, so that is one of our indications that the market, there is a change of directional bias. Okay, from based on this one, short-term downturn. Although this is a deep pullback because supposedly it will going to hold in this one. But oh, look at this one. Okay, so we're expecting that if you can buy somewhere here because it's no longer touching in this area. But if ever it will going to go somewhere here, go back. So still this is a good buy. But since this is here, look at the price consolidating. So we're expecting that it will going to go up here. That's our analysis. Although this is just it's about investing in the stocks or in any financial assets. It's all about probability. Just like this one, the probability it will going to go up is high rather than going down. It's because we are in a demand zone. Everybody's going to buy this one. Probably, let's say 60% will going to go up and 40% will going to go down. We will always anticipate also. We're not only anticipating the market will going to go up, but we will also include the market will going to go down. Okay, so we have to buy this one. That's why we need to buy in this level. Okay, so with regards to the fundamentals of the stock, we should also check if the company is doing good. That's very important. If not only we're going to analyze the market, we will also check the fundamentals. And when it comes to financial update of the market. Okay, so this is a very important. Although this is the most important thing when you. Although this is not the complete financial statement of the company, but this is also enough. I think this is enough for me. When you see the net income positive, just like the 11 billion, so this is a huge. And then the capital is 54. This is a huge profit of the. How many percent of this one? Almost 20%. I think 20%. Almost. So this is a net income. You're going to divide 11 divide by 54. How much? Oh. 11 divide by 54. 20% times 100. Okay. 20%. So this is a 20% profit of that is a huge profit. And then the EPS, so 15 pesos. So this is already huge. Usually 4 to 5 EPS on an average. meaning earnings per share. So yeah, this is good. And upcoming earnings for Q3 quarter 3 2025 EPS is 3.98. So this is still good revenue. Then there's no. But anyway, the net income is this is the most important thing. 20% of their profit. That is huge, really. So where the SECB is really doing good, and that's why we're investing for this. We are expecting that it will going to in the long run the price will going to really appreciate in the long run. Okay, so this is a buy for me, this is a buy for us. So I hope this is helpful to you, and then forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified in our next video. Bye for now.